Hey kids, welcome back to Ancient Tales Wisdom channel. In the previous part, Meera's mother shared a Panchatantra story, The Doves and the Net, about teamwork. Let's see what happens next. Mother looked at Meera and Mithu with a smile. You see, my child, even little beings can achieve great things if they work together. The doves escaped not by strength alone, but by teamwork and trust. Meera's eyes sparkled.
I understand, Amma. Just like the flowers in our garden need bees, sunlight, water, and soil, all working together. That's teamwork.
Mithu chirped.
And if the doves had not listened to their leader, they would have been lost.
Meera's eyes shone with understanding.
So just like the dove, the plants also stay strong because all parts of nature work together.
Meera added confidently.
From now on, we too, we will also be like those doves, helping each other, listening, and working together.
Mithu nodded excitedly.
Yes, Meera, I understand now. Nature is one big team, and we are also a part of it. If we don't care for our role, the whole team suffers.
Meera laughed.
Exactly. That's why we must take care of our garden every day. The plants trust us to do our part.
Her mother nodded. Yes, Meera. And the same lesson applies to people. A family stays strong when everyone helps each other. A class becomes smarter when students work together. Even a country grows when its people act as a team. Teamwork is not just in nature. It is the secret of success in life. Mother hugged her proudly. The garden seemed brighter that day, as if even the flowers and butterflies were nodding in agreement. Later that week at school, Meera's teacher, Miss Priya, noticed her excitement and asked, Meera, you seem very happy today. What's on your mind? With a bright smile, Meera stood up and explained.
Mom, I learned from my mother and from watching my garden that everything grows because of teamwork. The sun, the rain, the soil, and the insects, they all play a role. My mother also told me the Panchatantra story of the doves and the net. I understood that whether it's animals, nature, or people, unity is the key to strength and success.
The whole class clapped, and Miss Priya said proudly, That is a wonderful lesson. Meera, you are right. Teamwork and unity can overcome even the biggest challenges. Me too, sitting by the window, chirped happily, all thanks to my smart Meera. Moral: nature teaches us that everything thrives through teamwork. Just like the sun, soil, rain, and insects help plants grow, people too must work together in unity. Strength lies in teamwork, in families, in schools, and in life. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.